We can make colors, we can make dynamic colors according to our data from database. Let's say if the price is lower than the limit you define, you can make it red, or if it is below, you can make it green, something like that. Let's make an example. First, for that I need to change my database query.
Unit price.
I'm going to use unit cost because I have most of the data in this field, unit cost. Finish. Okay. Unit cost. Save and preview. Yes, here we have unit cost, and let's put here some the currency code: US dollar, euro, Turkish lira, one of them. Click here. You can specify the format string. I mean, you are able to tell the editor that this is money and I'm going to use this format or this. Okay. And as you see, how we can make dynamic colors for some specific fields. I'm going to make an example. Let's say if in case the cost is lower than $10, let's make it red. For that, click here. We are going to define expression. These kind of things are happening with via expressions. Click here and we can start writing our rule here in expression editor. This is very flexible. You can define many expressions according to your algorithm, your design. For color, after you choose the cell, here appearance, here you see some boxes here. Background color, border color. You can specify background color as static. What you choose here, it's going to appear here like that. Control Z. But if you wanna make it dynamic, then click here, this box, background color expression. That means I'm going to define the back color regarding to dynamic data. The rule is if the value of money, the unit cost, is lower than 10, make the background red, otherwise paint it white. Okay. Preview. That's it. Let's define another range. In case it's bigger than 500, make it green. Let's come back to color expression again. In case the unit cost lower than 10, this part will be executed. Otherwise, here. So, in case lower than 10, red. Else if, here. Then unit cost, in case it is bigger than 500, paint it green. Else white. Okay, save, preview. That works. Also, You can continue to make some other layout expressions like we tried in our example for background color for this cell. You can specify for all of the elements one by one. The background is okay, but the foreground color, I think it should be white. I'm going to make it white in case the background is red. Because the black in red seems worse. For that, choose the cell. Click Appearance. Here you see our expression. Copy that. I'm going to use the similar rule foreground color, which is text color. But in this case, not red. This is text color, this will be white. This will be white too. Also white for the text in the green field, else, which is no background color, black. That was what I was trying to do. Okay, I want to add a second report band, which is categories. Already we have here defined. For that, right click on the report or empty space. Insert the till report, categories. Our band is here, as you see, but I want to show the categories at the top level. For that, choose this, right click, move up. Now they are replaced. Let's get our fields, ID and name, move them. Also, I need a title. For that, I need to add report header. Right click, insert band, report header. Let's get a label here. Categories. Save and let's check. Yes, as you see, our category band. After that, products band. You can customize your report. I'm just showing you how to do. You can make it more beautiful, of course.